How to change brush size on Snapchat. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to change brush size on Snapchat app. Now open up your Snapchat. After you open Snapchat like this, now go ahead and tap on this gallery to upload your image. So I'll use some image from my gallery like this one. Let's say I want to use this picture. After I select this picture, now I'll tap on this section now to select the brush, this one. So now here is the brush. As you can see now, here is the size of the brush now. As you can see, here is the size of the brush now. Brush. If you want to change the size of the brush, you can just tap on this option now. You can let's take it down. Let's take it adjust it like this. So as you can see now, like the size is changing, like, but it's changing just smaller. This is the only option you can be able to do for now. Snapchat doesn't allow you to change the brush size officially. Maybe in future they'll add the feature to change the brush size. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe.